Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about creating a group chat for your buyers. Let's get started. Do you want to inspire potential leads to choose your business and create awareness on how your business is helping other people? Do you want to entice potential buyers to purchase your products as well? You can achieve this by creating a group chat for your new leads and regular customers. Bringing people together on Messenger is possible through a group chat. You can add people inside one chat messenger window to send messages to multiple Facebook users. This saves you time as you don't have to send the same message to multiple users. You can have different purposes of creating group chats to engage with multiple users. As a business, you can create group chats for new leads, new subscribers, regular and loyal customers, or creating a customer service group chat. When you create a group chat for selling your products, the users who are inside the group will be inspired to purchase and try your products as well. Buyers can be enticed to purchase products when they see other people inside a group chat who are interested and they are purchasing the seller's products. Also, if you create scarcity, the members of your group chat will grab the opportunity to acquire the products that you are promoting. To create a group chat, go to your Facebook Messenger. You may use the web app or your mobile app. Click on the messenger icon on the top section of your web app. In this field, type in the names of the people that you want to add to your group. You can start with 2 users. When you type in the first user, the previous chat messages with this user will appear in the chat window. Then type in the user of the next person to add in your group chat. Once you add the second user in the Send To field, this section will show the Facebook users added in this group chat. Next, write a message to send to these users. Press Enter to send or click on this icon. As you can see in this section, it says that you created this group. You can add up to 250 Facebook users inside your group chat. If your group starts to grow, you can easily create another group chat for another batch of buyers. Make sure you assign an admin to moderate and manage the other group chat as well. Now, let's create a group using the mobile app. Click on the pencil icon, and on the next window, you will see the option Create a New Group. Tap on it. Then choose from the participants on the list, or you can search for users who you want to add to your group chat. Type in the name of the users here. You can add more participants, but for now, let's add these 2 Facebook users in our group chat. Click Next. In this section, you can type in the name of your group chat, and naming your group chat will help you determine the purpose of that group chat. You can see that you have created the group. You can add more people as you tap on the Add People link. If you tap on this icon, you can edit the theme of the group, emoji, add nicknames for each member, and edit the group info. You can make some of the members admin of the group chat, which gives them the privilege to manage the group and remove members from the conversation. You can block a member or remove them from the group. A member of the group chat can view all the photos and videos that are shared in the group chat or search in the conversation. Take note that before adding people to your group, you have to make sure that you are connected with them so they can be aware that you have added them to your group chat. If you want to automate the responses from your Facebook page, we have a marketing app that can help you grab leads without an opt-in form and send automated messages that gets near 100% open and click-through rates. It is the first Facebook-based autoresponder that you can find on the market. With Site Contact, your leads can subscribe to your list without an opt-in form. They can even subscribe with just a click of a button. You can send welcome messages, send message broadcast to reach all your subscribers. You can reach your audience both on mobile device and on their computer. It supports scheduling message broadcast to save you time, so you can send your messages to your subscribers anytime you want. Site Contact can benefit Facebook advertisers, e-commerce sellers, brands, product vendors, Facebook fan page owners, or even content creators. Site Contact is perfect for any marketer. Site Contact allows you to reach the market that you think was only possible with email marketing. To try Site Contact now, go to the URL getsitecontact.in and start receiving the benefits of site contact to grow your list faster, get better reach, and get more clicks. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.